Flex.Physio can be found within the St John of God Murdoch campus, which is located on Barry Marshall Parade. There are two major entrances to Barry Marshall Parade, the Murdoch Drive entrance and the Fiona Wood Road entrance. While travelling west along South Street, turn left down Fiona Wood Road, the first left after the Murdoch train station. At the intersection, turn right down Barry Marshall Parade. Continue along Barry Marshall Parade until you reach the lights and crosswalk just past Fiona Stanley Hospital and the Wexford Centre. The entrance to the St John of God Murdoch campus is located at the first right turn immediately following the crosswalk. The Murdoch Drive entrance. Driving south down Murdoch Drive, take the first turn on your left to Barry Marshall Parade. Once on Barry Marshall Parade, take the first left immediately after you turn onto the road. Upon entering the St John of God car park, collect your ticket from the boom gate and park before heading over to the Murdoch Clinic, located to the right of emergency. Parking can be paid for on the way out. Once inside the Murdoch Clinic, make your way to the elevators on your right. Flex.Physio is located on the first floor. Once you arrive at the first floor, head down the corridor on your right and continue to Flex.Physio.